Hello, welcome to Be Nice and Collect. As promised, we'll be doing a review on Nendoroid Denji from manga series Chainsaw Man. I'm so excited to unbox him, so let's get started. We got everything out. We have the pamphlet. GSA pamphlet is getting better and better, which they include on how to put together the accessories. It's written in Japanese and English. He comes with a standard Nendoroid base, also a standard Nendoroid stand support, an extra neck connector for his transform head, an extra neck connector for the standard head. It also comes with extra bend knees. You need to pull this part to put his shoes. Another bend knees which is on the right. He comes with a starter rope that you can be displayed on his chest. He comes with an extra open hands, a blood splatter effect. It has some smudges to it. I'm not sure if it's intended. He also have interchangeable chainsaw arms, both left and right. These are very sharp, so please be very careful. I am happy that they added Pochita. He looks like a pig, but he do barks like a dog. Excited to see him in the anime. Now for the transform head, this is such an amazing piece where the details are captured perfectly. The paint job is well done. The mechanical parts on the back of his head is very detailed and very well done. Look at those sharp teeth. The tongue can be removed and the jaw is articulated. He comes with a transforming faceplate which is very cool. Now for the main Nendoroid, let's start with the head. Loving the face, it's so menacing. And for the hair, it is well painted, no issues or paint flaws or whatever. As for the body, he is wearing the standard public safety devil uniform consisting of a white shirt, tie, and slacks. You need to be careful with the necktie as it keeps on falling. I have to put some tack to it to stay intact. For articulation, you can move the arms up and down. You can rotate the elbow. Hands can be replaced. His hips can be moved sideways slightly, but very flexible moving up and down. As for his legs, these are typical articulation of a Nendoroid where you can move around. His shoes can be rotated, you can actually remove it. For posable options, you can have him simply standing or he is transforming. Of course, you can display him with his enormous chainsaw head. You can also add some blood splatter effect. This is how it looks, displaying our Denji with Power and Pochita. They look great together. For Nendoroid doll bodies, we have here cream, peach, almond milk. I would say almond milk is the best suits for Denji. For YMY bodies, we have here super white, sakura pink, milky white, and natural white. And I would say natural white or sakura pink will do for him. For our custom Nendoroid doll, he is rocking this bartender clothes. So that's it guys, thanks for watching this video. Shout out to Toy Unboxing family. Keep safe everyone, bye bye.